Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AiSHIBA token. Ticker symbol is SHIBAI. This token is being listed April 19th, which guess what is today, I believe. Unless I'm going crazy here. Yes, today is April 19th. So this token is live as of 4:30 p.m. So 16:30 UTC time, April 19th. This token goes live today on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So AiSHIBA was created by AI through inspiration from the ARB Doge AI community. Now that token was very popular, and so of course when a crypto token or coin is popular, then they pump out some more, and it's usually the dog memes or other memes like Pepe or something like that. But anyways, 100% of tokens belong to the community. So there's a lot of tokens here. That's a million, billion, trillion, 210 quadrillion tokens. And that, of course, is half of 420 quadrillion tokens, which is the number of a lot of meme coins. And they have a full white paper. You can find it at AiSHIBA.gitbook.io. They have a Discord. They have a Twitter at AiSHIBA_ARB. They have their Arbiscan on here because this is on the ARBITRUM blockchain, just like the ARB Doge AI token. And their official webpage is AiSHIBAOG.xyz. So this token just got listed today on a central exchange. By the time I upload this video, it should be right when this token is dropping. It is being listed on MEXC Global. Now, if you don't have an MEXC Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol for this token, which is SHIBAI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, our mission, bringing together everyone for the greater good. Our ultimate objective is to democratize currency by removing the grip of monopolies and returning control to the people. However, this can only be achieved if the community unites for the common good of humanity. The goal lies at the heart of the AiSHIBA mission. In the short term, our priority is to create substantial utility for early supporters of the project and first mover holders of AiSHIBA OG. So I guess that is the full name, AiSHIBA OG Collection and ARB Drop. We are confident, that's probably actually their NFTs actually, AiSHIBA OG NFTs, yes. We are confident that our community increasingly embraces SHIBAI. We can bring more people together and ultimately achieve our vision of empowering individuals through decentralized currency. We firmly believe that there is power in numbers, and by uniting around a shared goal, we can achieve great things. Also transparency, also a Web3 community. All these things are their fundamental objectives and their values. So the SHIB overview, SHIBAI is the fundamental token within the AiSHIB ecosystem. It possesses powerful deflationary attributes and offers users the opportunity to generate passive income via staking. So you could stake this token to get more tokens, thereby establishing enduring value for the token. Its deflationary nature It's got staking and it's community oriented. So those are the principal characteristics. Now the SHIB AI applications, there is a top holders fortune. So top holders will be rewarded weekly in ARB, which is the ARBITRUM blockchain coin, with 1% of the weekly total transactional volume going to those top holders. And there's mining as well. So you can mine tokens. There's the OG NFTs. So AiSHIBA OG NFT holders will be allocated 50% of the total supply, will be able to earn passive income staking their OG NFT. So you stake the OG NFT, and then there's a supply that's allocated to staking rewards for those OG NFT holders who stake the NFTs. Now, AiSHIBA AI NFTs are different NFTs, so SHIB AI can be used to acquire distinctive AI-generated NFTs within the ecosystem. So, there is a tax burn, it says here. And token allocations is on here as well. So let's see how it's split up. It says 10% goes to decentralized exchange and centralized exchange listings, 5% referral bonuses, 5% early contributors, 30% goes to the eligible wallet airdrop allocation, and then we have tiered multipliers for NFT holders. Big allocation goes to that. And then there's tax burning, and 15% of tax. This is if you get it off somewhere else like SushiSwap or Uniswap. This is if you get it off a decentralized exchange. This tax does not apply to MEXC Global. That's why MEXC Global is a great place to get this token, because there's 15% tax. So you probably have to set your slippage somewhere around 15% to even acquire this token off a DEX. 1% is burnt, 4% stake to earn, 1% top holders fortune, 3% refills CANELOT's liquidity pool, so that's the DEX that is listed on as CANELOT, 2% purchase ARB, and 4% development. So a lot of that tax doesn't even go to you, like the holder. So like I said, MEXC Global would be a better place to get the token. And besides that, you can read, there's governance rights on here. So they are going to have a DAO. They go over stake to earn, top holders, NFTs, roadmap goals are on here as well. So let's see the roadmap phases. Pre-launch phase, token creation and distribution, ecosystem implementation and integration, community building and growth, project expansion, and long-term sustainability. So they're split up 6 different phases of the roadmap, but pretty much all the utilities I just named, they just come out in different phases in different ways. And you can check out all the info at aishiba.gitbook.io, and you can find this token newly listed, like I said, as of today, right now, basically, on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.